आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone, in this question we have fx is continuous function for all real values x satisfying integration limit n to n plus 1 fx dx equals to n square by 2 where n belongs to integer. Then we have integration of minus 3 to 5 limit f mod x dx is equals to what, and we have how many options? 4 options here, right? Just remember n is an integer here, right? So we have integration n to n plus 1 and fx dx as n square by 2, right, where n is an integer. Now as my integrand is minus 3 to 5, we have f mod x dx, right, f mod x dx. Now I can break this integral from minus 3 to 3 as f of mod x dx. Then we have 3 to 4 f of mod x dx, and we have 4 to 5 f of mod x dx, right? Now in this we have mod x here, so I can say this is my even function. Because why? Because if my f mod x is there and I replace x with minus x, then I have again mod x as f of minus mod x, right? So this is an even function, and in even function there is a property of integral that I am going to write it as 0 to 3 f of x dx, right? This is the properties of even function. Now we have added by 3 to 4. Now 3 and 4 are which type of number? These are positive numbers. So I can say my f of mod x will open in positive form, that is fx dx, and we have 4 to 5, and this also open in positive form, that is fx dx, right? Now here I can write it as 2 times. Now I can break this 0 to 3 in between 0 to 1 f of x dx. Then I have 1 to 2 f of x dx. Then I have 2 to 3 f of x dx, and then we have integration 3 to 4 f of x dx. Then we have 4 to 5 f of x dx. Now by using this property, which property? Let me show you this property. That is, whenever we have continuous numbers, then my fx will become n square by 2, right? So in the above step we have here my n is 0 and n plus 1 is 1, so I can write this as 0 square by 2. Next I can write 1 square by 2, then I can write 2 square by 2, then I can write 3 square by 2, and finally 4 square by 2. Now finally I have 2, we have 1 by 2 here, 4 by 2, that is 2, plus 9 by 2, and we have 16 by 2, that is 8. Now on solving this we have 5 by 2 into 2, and then we have 9 by 2 plus 8. Now we have 8 plus 5, that is 13, plus 9 by 2, and finally we have 35 by 2 as our final option. And if we see our options, then option B is the correct option here. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।